This is a presentation talking about digital resources in ESL classrooms for adult newcomers. This video is intended for teachers of English as a second language classes for adult newcomers to provide them with digital resources and technological tools that they can use in their classrooms to further learning and empower their students to take their learning into their own hands. The three digital tools that we will be discussing in this video are digital field trips with Google Street View, Yabla, and Pen Pal Schools. First, we should begin by addressing the reasons why we should integrate technology in ESL classrooms, especially those intended for adult newcomers. The first reason is that more and more of our lives are taking place online, and adult newcomers need to be familiar with technology to lead successful lives. All kinds of government forms and applications are now processed online. Banking and shopping are done online. Most jobs require technological skills and knowledge, and education is increasingly being moved to online platforms. So the internet and technology really are central to our lives today, and digital literacies should be incorporated into all programs for adult newcomers. The second reason is that technology can be used to develop effective language acquisition for a few reasons. For one, moving language learning to an online platform makes it more accessible for adults who have limited time to attend classes or are located far away from schools or centers which provide these classes. Students can access online classrooms at any time of the day or in any time zone, which is convenient for them. They can also make connections with others who may not live near them. Online language learning is also empowering, as providing students with the proper resources allows them to take their learning into their own hands. The third reason is that using multimodal instruction has shown to increase motivation and engagement in ESL learning. The use of technology in learning in general can make it more fun, decreasing anxiety and stress related to language acquisition. Providing students with environments that are low in stress and anxiety has shown to build confidence in language learners and help them develop their language skills more effectively. So in this video, we will be going over 3 different technologies and how to use them in the classroom. The first example I have is digital field trips using Google Street View. In addition to adult ESL classes, I also teach citizenship test preparation classes for newcomers to Canada, and both of these classes have components that require learning about Canadian cities, geography, and culture. Going on digital field trips using Google is a very engaging way to talk about Canadian cities, cultures, Indigenous communities, landmarks, history, parks, all kinds of things. For ESL learners, teachers can assign students different communities and ask them to talk or write about the things that they see. I've found this to be an effective way to get students to learn about Canada and practice their speaking and writing skills as well. So if we click on this link, it takes us to the Google Maps Street View section for Canadian parks. And then you can click on one and you can explore the area, which is really interesting. You can take a look around. Students can talk about what they see, what they like. It's a very engaging way for students to learn and remember things that they learn about about their digital field trip. The second example that I have is Yabla. Yabla is a website which has a collection of real videos of natural conversations, and the great thing about it is that they have interactive captions, which means that on the captions underneath the video, students can click on words that they don't understand to get a definition or translation. They can also slow down the speaker if they're having a hard time understanding what is being said. This is a great resource I like to introduce to my students for practicing English at home. It is great for developing listening skills and vocabulary as well, but it does require a monthly subscription. So if we click on this link, I can show you how it works.
Hello, and welcome to Yabla English, the revolutionary program for learning English.
So as you can see, you can click on the captions here, and it'll show you the definitions of the words. You can slow the speaker down, you can make her go back. There's a lot of great features here that will help students work on their listening skills. The last example that I have is pen pal schools. Pen pal schools makes it possible to use technology to write to pen pals in different classes or countries. The reason I like this is because it lets students connect with other ESL students outside of their classroom, who may be in different cities, so they can share their cultural experiences with each other. This activity helps to develop reading and writing skills and is a lot of fun for the students as well because it allows for authentic communication. If we click right here, it takes us to the website. And as you can see, it provides for authentic connections, works on reading, writing, digital citizenship, and social and emotional skills. And adult learners enjoy this as well, and they like talking to their pen pals and making conversations and connections. So it's a really good resource. I hope this video was helpful for thinking about how you can integrate some of these technologies into your ESL classroom. For more digital resources, make sure to visit the resources section on our website by following the link provided right here. Thanks for watching.